what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video I'm going to show you how we set up story poles. In the UK they call them profiles. Some people call them speed leads. I don't really care what you call them, but we're going to show you how we do it. So the first thing you got to do is you got to build a wing wham. I don't know what you call these either, that's what we call them. So get a little board here and like a 2-footer. That way you can hit 2 studs on your wall. So our studs are metal, so we're using self-tappers in our wing whams. Self-tappers, they'll go right into the metal. First thing you gotta do is stab through the styrofoam. Boom, there's a stud there, but it's like this big, that's why I got it marked out. Same thing here. Found one end of the stud, the other end went in the middle, marked it up there. So that's where we're gonna screw in with our wing wham. Talk about this real quick. You just make a right angle, you know, and get a little piece of plywood to hold that together to keep it strong. And the reason this is so long is because where our control joints are, we have no idea where these studs are gonna be, so we wanna make sure that it's long enough to hit 2 studs. This is what a control joint looks like. You see it's on a half-hole bond all the way up, and they're roughly every 32 feet, somewhere in there, 24, 32. It depends on how it works out for block and down our wall here. You're gonna need a 4-foot level when you start setting this pole up. I use a Stabila masonry. I really like this thing. I like all the white things for like tapping, whatever. Really cool. They're actually sending me a free level and a whole bunch of gear and stuff like that. They're sending me 2 of everything, so I am going to be doing a giveaway on my TikTok page here in the next month. So if you want to get a chance to win one of these, it's like a 15-inch level and a whole bunch of keychains and hats and stuff. Just follow my TikTok and that'll be coming out soon. Alright, so now this is our story pole. The pole, you got to put a level on it. Oh my god. Get the wing wham with the bit. Double check it there.
Yep, that's good.
The old holes through the wood make it way easier for these to go through because it takes forever with the metal bit. So that's how you put the wing wham up. Then you take a clamp. I'm going to clamp it on there wherever she wants it. Usually want this part on the outside. Give it a good squeeze. It's good to go. And at the bottom, she just has a block here. That way we know where it's at. Right on the corner of our wall ledge. Got these fancy corners we're gonna be using here. Since we're on the bottom here, all we got to do is go up the pole in 8-inch increments. Because when you lay a block, they're all in 8-inch increments. So 8 inches this way for your half, 8 inches high. Everything is 8 inches. So we're gonna go up in 8s until you get to the roof. When you get up there, you want to measure down and make sure that you're gonna fit a whole block up there. So usually it does, but if you have to cut it or there's too much space up there, it makes it a giant pain in the... Now for this, usually we gotta put a 2-course lead on here, but I think since it's against the concrete here, we can just put a line on it and pull, so that's nice. The other side, there's already a wall up, so we're just gonna line pin that side. Now we're ready to lay some block, so thanks for watching, hope you learned something.